This is the Bridgeport Mill. She's probably over 50 years old. This is operated 100% manually. Now it does have a motor that you can use for the Y-axis, but the X-axis is completely manual, and it has a digital readout for the Z-axis, and the X and Y-axis does have a digital readout. But this particular machine is operated 100% manually, which is good when you want to do some initial design work, but when you want to do repetitive work, you want to bring it over here to the CNC Max. Now, it's not as heavy duty as the Bridgeport, but what this can do is do a lot of automated things repetitiously, which is good, and it can be programmed. So they both have their benefits, and it kind of works in unison when you want to get certain things done.